What's this? Alright guys, I'm back. You saw what just happened. We have a carnival here in South France going on. A lot of dances and instruments playing and everything else. So that's what's up. Let's go back to this tutorial. Olly Murs, Save Me. Alright, so this is a 3-chord song. We have a capo on second. That's the setup for us. Let's go over the chords like we usually do. And let's start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor as the second chord, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. And finally, we have the E. And E will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so the chord progression for this song, and it goes in the same way through the entire song, will be A minor, D minor, E, and back to A minor. So both starts and ends on A minor. We have one way, or actually two ways to handle the strumming here for this chord. So we're gonna start with A minor, and the first version of it will be like this. Okay, so you work a lot on the up here, okay? So imagine you play down, up, clap, up. But you're not playing the down actually, you have that as a pause and you play up, clap, up, clap, up, clap, up, clap, up, like this. Okay, so it's very jumpy on the up here. Up, clap, up, clap, up, clap, up, clap, up. All right? So if you choose to go this way, you're gonna play 4 of these per chord. So A minor 4, D minor 4, E 4, and back to A minor 4, and that rolls like this. All right. The second version of it will be to bring in some bass here and this strumming. So now down, up, clap, up. Very similar to the other one, but you have that down I talked about before. You're actually gonna play it this time. So down, up, clap, up. So 2 versions of it. I played 4 rounds of this version as well per chord, A minor, D minor, E, and A minor. And now you can actually mix them up these, so you can play sometimes the first down here to give a bass, and then go into the first version of it with just the ups, clap up, and mix it around. It could sound something like this. I think you understand the idea here. 2 versions, same chord progression. You just go that through the finals of the song. Olly Murs, Save Me. That's the song. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.